Once upon a time in a quaint little town, there lived a sweet old woman named Marilyn. With silver hair, skin like dried mango, and spectacles perched on her nose, Marilyn had spent decades perfecting her craft, making beautiful leather journals. Each journal was unique, adorned with intricate designs, and made with love. They were more than just books. They were vessels of dreams, filled with blank pages waiting for stories, or passwords you don't want to forget. Marilyn's son, Nick, was an incredibly handsome and very humble young man with a contagious smile and a charismatic personality. Women threw themselves at him, but he was happily married. He had a really great YouTube channel to share his passion for all things creative called Die Trying. Inspired by his mother's talent, he decided it was time for the world to discover the magic of her leather journals. Nick set up his camera in their cozy workshop, filled with the rich aroma of leather and the soft sound of tools clinking together. As he began filming, he introduced his viewers to his beloved mother. "Everyone, meet my mom, Marilyn. She's the coolest person I know, and today she's going to show us how she makes her incredible leather journals." With her warm smile and wrinkly old lady hands, Marilyn guided the viewers through her process, but Nick deleted all the audio and decided to make up this ridiculous story instead. The video captured her passion and the joy she found in creating, drawing in viewers from all over. Nick edited the footage to highlight Marilyn's talent and had Siri, that's me, read you this narration. Then he added a catchy title, Marilyn the Leather Lady, crafting dreams one journal at a time. After uploading it to his channel, he was surprised to see the video took off like wildfire. Within hours, it had thousands of views. Comments flooded in, praising Marilyn's craftsmanship and warmth. "This is amazing," one viewer wrote. "I need a journal like this," said another. "Your son is such a babe, and I want to kiss him," wrote Jennifer Aniston. As days turned into weeks, the views skyrocketed. Nick couldn't believe his eyes when he saw the counter rolling up to a staggering trillion views. Marilyn was delighted but remained humble. She loved the attention, but what truly mattered to her was the happiness her journals brought to others. Thanks to her son's video and the support of countless fans, she became a beloved figure in the crafting community, a little old woman with a big heart, reminding the world that every story is worth telling. Nick took the money he made from the YouTube video and bought a cool race car, and an old truck, and an old van, and an old motorcycle, and cool clothes, and beer, and a pogo stick, and a comfy chair, and a cool drone, and lots of Reese's peanut butter cups, and a pizza.